This is the associative law. X or y or z equals to x or y or z. X and y and z is equals to x and y and z. How we have written the logic gates for it. Proof for this. How we can able to do that, we'll see. Proof. So first I am going to take A. First I am going to take A, that is x or y or z equals to x or y or z. See, if LHS or if x is equals to 0, LHS, let me take x or y or z. 0 or y or z. 0 or y or z. So we'll be getting y or z. So if I am taking RHS, x or y or z, x or y or z. Now here 0 or y or z. Now 0 or y is y or z. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS here. And if you see, if x is equals to 1, taking LHS, x or y or z, 1 or y or z will be considered as 1. And RHS, if we take x or y or z, 1 or y, 1 or z, that will be 1. Therefore here also it will be LHS is equals to RHS by proof by perfect induction, or using proof by perfect induction. X or y or z equals to x or y or z is proved. Now we have to prove the same thing by using truth table. By using truth table, we have to prove like x or y or z equals to x or y or z. See, 3 variables we have here: x, y, z. 3 variables we have, and this is the next term y or z. Next, this one term we have x or y, and next this whole term we have x or y or z, and next we have this whole term x or y or z. Now when we have 3 variables, how we can able to consider? The logic we have discussed already. The logic we have discussed already. 4 zeros, 4 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones, 0 1, 0 1, 0 1, 0 1. Now first what we have to do? Y or z. So y and z we have to consider. 0 or 0 is 0, 0 or 1 is 1, 1 or 0 is 1, 1 or 1 is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Am I right? Now x or y, consider this and this. 0 0 0, 0 0 0, 0 1 1, 0 1 1, that is 0 or 1, 1 or 0 1, 1 or 0 1, 1 or 1 1, 1 or 1 1. Okay, now this we have to consider and this we have to consider. 0 or 0 will be 0, 0 or 1 will be 1, 0 or 1 will be 1. 0 or 1 will be 1. 1 or 0 will be 1. 1 or 1 will be 1. Then 1 or 1 will be 1. And next also 1 or 1 will be 1. So we have calculated this. Now here we have to consider this one, 0 or 0, sorry, this one and this one. 0 or 0 is 0. 1 or 0 is 1. 1 or 0 is 1. 0 or 1 is 1. Next, 1 or 1 will be 1. Next, 0 or 1 will be 1. 1 or 1 will be 1. 0 or 1 will be 1. 0, 1 or 1 will be 1. So by observing the truth table, we can say that, so you have to draw like this. By observing these two columns, therefore, x or y or z is equals to x or y or z. X or y or z. Just observe this. If you have any doubt, ask me. Next B. Next B proof. X and y, or we can write x and y and z equals to x and y and z. By using proof by perfect induction, it means by substituting the possible values, we have to prove this. If x is equals to 0, then LHS x and y and z, that will be 0 and y and z will be 0 only. So then RHS, so we have the rule saying like x and 0 will be 0. We have the properties of zeros and 1. X and 0 will be 0. So if I am taking the RHS, x and y and z. So see, x value is 0 and y and z. So 0 and z is 0. So therefore LHS is equals to RHS. LHS is equals to RHS. Now if x value is 1, then LHS is x and y and z, 1 and y and z. So we'll be getting y and z. RHS x and y and z. So 1 and y and z. So y and z we are going to get. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore, x and y and z is equals to X and Y and Z. X and Y and Z. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
By using truth table, we'll prove it. X and Y or Z. X and Y and Z. So X, Y, Z, Y and Z, X or Y, X or Y, X and Y and Z, X and Y and Z. So here 4 zeros, 4 ones, 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Y and Z 0 0 0 0 and 1 0 1 and 0 is 0 1 and 1 is 1 0 and 0 is 0 0 and 1 is 0 1 and 0 is 0. So here again it will be 1 1 and 1 is 1 1 and 1 is 1 Y and Z. Now we will see X and Y. 0 and 0 is 0 0 and 0 is 0 0 and 1 is 0 0 and 1 is 0 1 and 0 is 0 1 and 0 is 0 1 and 1 is 1 1 and 1 is 1. Okay, now X, Y and Z. 0 and 0 will be 0 0 and 0 will be 0 next 0 and 0 will be 0 0 and 1 will be 0 1 and 0 will be 0 1 and 0 will be 0 1 and 0 will be 0 1 and 1 will be 1. Now this one and this one will consider. 0 and 0 is 0 1 and 0 is 0 0 and 0 is 0 1 and 0 is 0 0 and 0 is 0 1 and 0 is 0 0 and 1 is 0 1 and 1 is 1. So therefore by observing this X and Y and Z column and X and Y and Z column both values are same, because of that we can say this has been proved.